just pack it. Did y'all see something? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Storm. If you don't already know, what to do. Before we get into this video, be sure you click that subscribe button, like this video, and follow all of my social media. Okay, so as you can see by the title, today I am going to be doing a makeup look. Now, typically on my channel, I don't do makeup looks like that. I'm pretty much focusing on mommy, lifestyle, and motivation. Today is a very special video as I will actually be following my sister's makeup tutorial. I have talked about my sister numerous times on my channel. Go ahead, click that subscribe button to her channel. I'm gonna try to leave like an info card of her video if I can. I don't think we could do that on here, but I will definitely leave a link down below of her channel. Everything I know about makeup, she taught me. Thing is, she's patient. I'm not. I'm trying to rush. I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to go, and she takes her time. She does amazing work. I'm gonna leave a few pictures of her artwork because makeup is art. Definitely an art. It's not for lazy people like me. I am going to be. I'm sorry. I need to get my phone. She has a couple looks. She did this purple glam with the Jaclyn Hill. I'm not built for that right now. Let's see. Her recent video, she actually did an easy yellow makeup. So I'm gonna follow that one. Yeah, that's gonna be the video that I follow. So let's just start with her video. Okay, so I just scooted a little bit closer so that you guys can see me and my horrible eyebrows and see how this makeup is about to be catastrophic. Okay, she just said she just jumped right into the video, so I didn't even like put concealer on my eyes. Let me do that. I don't wear eyeshadow often, so bear with me. I think I'm doing this right. When I do wear eyeshadow, I don't do all this. So let me just do this. Done. Now I look like you. I'm missing a palette. Okay, so I am back. I need not to stop this again. She's taking the It's My Ray Ray palette, which is this. Mine is a catastrophe. Look at what Wynter did. Kids. And she's taking this color Mousse. Yeah. She's taking the color Mousse and she says she's applying that in her crease. Her music is loud. Ooh, sis. And I know she's taking like a big fluffy brush, so look. How deep is this supposed to get? I'm gonna find out. Oh snap, she's going too fast. Let me finish putting this color Mousse in my crease and then I can catch up. I think this is the crease. I keep dipping in Control Freak. Okay, so I'm done with like that crease color that she did. So let's see what's next.
I'm gonna go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and take those two yellow shades and apply that all over my lid.
Okay, so she said she's gonna go into her BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. I have the Take Me to Brazil palette. I don't have the second one. And again, shout out to Wynter. Okay. Okay, so this is like my second time watching this video. She said that she wasn't a fan of the palette. I'm just scraping off this yellow stuff because since she said that the Take Me Back to Brazil palette wasn't giving her that pigment, what I'm gonna do is, I see a lot of beauty viewers do this, so I'm gonna take my concealer, and I use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I think this is shade, yeah, Butterscotch, and I am just going to cut a crease, something like that. Well, not cut my crease, but put it over my lid. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it over my lid, like carefully. I'm actually gonna take my time on this part. I'm not even gonna lie, I commend everybody who does makeup because it's hard for me to even put anything on my lid. Like, I feel like I look slow right now.
This palette, I'm not gonna lie, I don't really like. The pigment isn't great at all, but it worked for the look.
So that's why I did that. But it looks like she's just switching yellows. So I'm gonna start with the darker. Ooh, shoot. Ooh. How many? Ooh. I shouldn't have did that. That was just dumb. Wow. I'm gonna start with the darker yellow and just pack it. Did y'all see some? Maybe. I don't see nothing. I'm trying to wipe this brush off with my hand. Maybe that'll work. Okay, I see some. Barely. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna use my facial primer. This is by, who is this by? Giovanni. And I'm just gonna spray the brush. I've seen people do that with other shadows. We're just gonna start with that other. What the fuck? Y'all. Like, can y'all see this? It's like picking up little to no product. We're gonna make it work. This ain't working. So I found this brush. This brush I found. Maybe this will work better. So let me reattempt this. It's a patchy catastrophe. Okay, it's yellow. It kinda like messed up right here, so I'm just gonna cover it with that same shade. Girl, get off your phone. I feel like I finished before you.
Next, I'm going to go in with the brand new Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation. I just received this complimentary from influencer. I really love this foundation. It is black.
I'm too broke. Okay, anyway, she got some PR. The next thing she's gonna do, I guess this is it for the eye look. So the rest of the video, she just finished her base. She actually has a video on how she gets her flawless foundation routine. I literally followed the exact same steps because, like I said, she taught me how to do makeup. So I'm just about to speed through this part and then I will show you guys the final look. Lord, I hope it looks, look at this. Let me just, oh, I don't know how I feel. Maybe when I'm finished, I don't even know. Maybe when I'm finished, it'll look better. Oh God.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
My sister put on lashes, but I don't think I have any. The last pair that I had, Wynter ruined. So let's see how mascara just looks.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
And now I'm about to put on this Ashy Forever 21 lip gloss.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look that I got out of her look. I think it looks really good. Like, it looks good on camera. Like, I feel like it's really cute. Cantu, let me know how I did on your video. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click like on this video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, cause I don't fucking care.
It looks good on camera. Like, I feel like it's really cute.